Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa at tawa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Lahat po tayo ay mayroong hinahangad sa buhay. Mayroong pakiramdam na tila hindi tayo kumpleto. May hinahangad tayo na hindi natin tila mawari kung ano yung ating hinahanap sa buhay. Pero yung paghahangad po na ito, yung search po na ito, ay yung paghahangad ng kahulugan sa buhay, ng totoong kaligayahan sa buhay. At alam niyo po, yung kahulugan na ito, yung tunay na kaligayahan na ito, ay matatagpuan lang natin sa ating pakikipagrelasyon o pakikipag-ugnayan sa Diyos o sa tinatawag nating bokasyon natin. Sa ating ebanghelyo ngayon, narinig natin ang kwento ng pagtawag ng ating Panginoong Hesukristo sa mga unang disipulo niya. And the calling started with John the Baptist pointing at Jesus, saying, "Behold the Lamb of God." And then, through John the Baptist, we notice here the unfolding on how God calls. The brothers approached Jesus, and he simply asked, "What are you looking for?" And what was the response of the two brothers? "Rabbi, where are you staying?" It is a question of desire, because if we want to follow the Lord, it always starts with our desire, or our first A of vocation, which is attraction, being attracted to holy people, holy things. And being attracted to holy things and holy people would lead us to desiring the source of this holiness. Ito yung nais na pinupunto ng Panginoon. He wanted to know the deepest desire of his first disciples. And then the response was superficial. "Rabbi, where are you staying?" It's a good start. It was an expression of desire of starting a relationship with God. And then Jesus responded, "Come and you will see." Our second A, after being attracted to holy things and holy people and desiring the source of this holiness, is yung ating awareness of the invitation. There is this desire of being invited to go deeper with our relationship with God. And so Jesus, in our gospel today, invited them, "Come and you will see." And then our last A is answer. Kapag mayroon yung tugon na yan, mayroong yung paanyayan na mula sa Diyos na sa palagay natin ito ang sasagot sa ating mga katanungan sa buhay, sa ating mga whys, o sa ating paghahangad ng kahulugan at kaligayahan. And then yung third A natin is answering the invitation of God. My dear brothers and sisters, we are all being called by the Lord. And the calling of Christ, of our God, starts with being attracted with Him through His holy people, holy things. And then, sunod po yung being aware of the invitation, na yung pakiramdam na may humuhila sa atin at ang Diyos yung patutunguhan natin. At yung pangatlo, kung hindi natin mapigilan, sasagot o tutugon na lang tayo sa paanyaya ng Diyos. Sana po, kapag nangyari po ito sa atin, sa palay ko lahat nangyayari ito sa atin, huwag tayo mag-atubili na tumugon sa Kanya. Let us be aware of the warning of the first reading. We are not children of the devil, We are children of God. We're being invited to be in a relationship with our God. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.